Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll share with you an online text-to-image generation tool. This tool is 100% free, unlimited, and requires no sign-up to use. All you need to do is type your text prompt correctly, clearly describing your desired image. As you can see, I've already generated an image using this tool. But before we create our own image, let's take a look at some beautiful images that were made with this tool. Okay, so I used ChatGPT to create a text prompt for a beautiful natural scene. I'll simply copy this text and paste it into the tool to show you how fast this image generator works. Next, you have to choose an aspect ratio for your image, and I think it's a great feature in this free tool. Also, you should describe your image in as much detail as possible. This will help generate exactly what you're looking for. So there you have it, a beautiful natural scene, just as we described in the prompt. The tool we're using is Revi.org. Here's what they say about this tool. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know any thoughts you have about this tool in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.